Discover Hirose's MT50WA Series waterproof connector with a power and signal hybrid design, engineered for compact motors requiring space-saving and reliable performance. Key benefits of the MT50WA Series include a lever lock mechanism that simplifies operation and prevents waterproofing failures with a secure push-to-lock system. It combines power, signal, and brake connections into a single plug, saving valuable space and reducing assembly complexity. Vibration resistance for enhanced connection stability in demanding motor environments. It's IP67 rated when mated, ensuring waterproof performance and durability in harsh conditions. And it's safety compliant with UL, CSA, and TÜV certifications, meeting stringent industry standards. The MT50WA Series is perfect for compact motor systems, offering efficient connectivity for applications such as electric motors and other industrial equipment. Stay ahead of the curve with the MT50WA Series connector. For deeper insights, visit and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Hirose Electric, Connecting the Future.